Hi friends, Teresa Potter here from Heirloom Apothecary. Today's topic touches something so many of us carry quietly, that is trauma. We will explore how what we eat can help us heal. If you've ever felt like your body is stuck in survival mode or like you're doing everything right but still feel off, this video is for you. We'll explore the science of trauma's impact on the body, how the right foods can help bring balance, and the gentle, empowering steps you can take starting today. Part 1, how trauma affects the body. Trauma, whether it's a single event or prolonged stress, doesn't just live in our memories. It rewires the body and the mind. Trauma reshapes the brain, increasing activity in the amygdala, the brain's region governing fear. It decreases the volume of the hippocampus, the brain's region for memory, and dulls the prefrontal cortex, the brain's region responsible for reasoning. Trauma disrupts your hormones and nervous system, especially the HPA axis. In other words, how the hypothalamus, pituitary, and adrenal glands work together by regulating cortisol. Trauma harms your gut microbiome, which creates a ripple effect on digestion, immunity, and mood. This is why you might feel wired but tired and have unexplained digestive issues, mood swings, inflammation, or chronic fatigue. It's not your fault. It's your body still trying to protect you. But the good news is, with the right support, it can begin to trust again, starting with critical nutrients. Let's explore that next in part 2. Part 2, nutritional foundations for healing. Let's look at nutrients that help restore safety and resilience in the body, starting with brain and mood nutrients. Omega-3s found in wild salmon, flax, walnuts reduce brain inflammation and support emotional regulation. Magnesium found in leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate calm the nervous system and ease tension. B vitamins, especially B6, B12, and folate, are abundant in chickpeas, eggs, and leafy greens, which can help build neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Zinc, high in beef, pumpkin seeds, lentils, is an essential mineral for stress recovery and gut lining repair. Gut repair nutrients, like prebiotics high in onions, leeks, apples, oats, nourish your gut flora. Fermented foods such as sauerkraut, miso, kefir repopulate beneficial bacteria in your gut. Bone broth and cabbage are rich in L-glutamine, which helps heal the gut lining damaged by cortisol and stress. What and how we eat matters. Next in part 3. Part 3, the Enlightened Order of Eating supports trauma healing. How you eat matters just as much as what you eat. If you're a regular consumer of my content, you've heard this before. It's my favorite strategy, something I share with all my coaching clients called the Enlightened Order of Eating. It helps regulate your blood sugar, prevents mood crashes, and signals safety to the body. Start with fiber or healthy fat like veggies, olive oil, and nuts. They slow glucose absorption and calm the gut. Next, eat protein like chicken, tofu, fish, legumes, and eggs, which build neurotransmitters and stabilize blood sugar. And with complex carbohydrates, if you have room, like sweet potatoes and unprocessed whole grains, which provide clean, steady fuel. Here is an example of a trauma healing plate. Start with cucumber slices and olive oil and lemon. Follow with grilled chicken and sauteed greens. Finish with roasted carrots and quinoa. This simple rhythm of the Enlightened Order of Eating can help your body shift out of fight or flight and into rest, repair, and peace. If you're resonating with this message and wonder how to turn these ideas into a lifestyle, this is what I help people do every day through my wellness lifestyle coaching program. As a biochemist, I help you understand the why behind your symptoms. As a teacher and coach, I help you build habits that actually stick. And as someone who's walked her own healing path, I meet you with compassion, not judgment. I offer different levels of support, from self-guided written plans to full coaching with weekly or daily guidance. Whether you need structure, accountability, or a full body reset, I walk with you. Click in the description box below for a questionnaire that will inform me about your unique needs and result in a free consultation. Next, in part 4, we explore strategies that work for trauma, depression, anxiety, and ADHD. Part 4, trauma, depression, anxiety, and ADHD, shared strategies that work. You may have seen my videos on depression, anxiety, or ADHD. While nutritional strategies are helpful, they don't replace a mental health professional if you need one. Nutrition strategies certainly work hand in hand and enhance professional help when it is needed. The eating principles I share for depression, anxiety, and ADHD overlap with trauma recovery beautifully. First, morning protein to stabilize cortisol. Upon waking, our body naturally spikes cortisol, so we will rise and get out of bed. But when we add trauma to the mix, that cortisol spikes exponentially, causing dread, fear, or fatigue. Eating 20 to 30 grams of protein early can regulate cortisol, inducing grounding and calm. Try eggs, turkey sausage, or a chia flaxseed protein smoothie. Second, avoid sugary snacks alone. Simple carbs spike and crash blood sugar, and that crash mimics trauma symptoms, shakiness, brain fog, and irritability. Try an apple with almond butter or dark chocolate with seeds. Recall that following the Enlightened Order of Eating naturally reduces or eliminates blood sugar spikes and can eliminate even the thought of a sugary snack. Third, balanced meals at consistent times. This rhythm supports executive functions, reducing overwhelm, and builds predictability, which creates safety in the body. Trauma survivors often have disruptive eating cues. Structured meals can help restore them. Fourth, slow carbs to calm the mind. Whole carbs like sweet potatoes, whole oats, lentils increase tryptophan and help produce serotonin, your calming, mood balancing neurotransmitter. Every time you choose a nourishing meal, every time you pause to breathe and eat slowly, every time you prepare your food with care, you're telling your body, you're safe now. You're allowed to rest. You are worthy of healing. That's what this journey is really about. Food isn't about control or perfection. It's about creating safety, consistency, and trust inside yourself. And if you're ready for personalized guidance on your trauma healing journey, let's talk about the wellness lifestyle coaching I offer. We'll look into your symptoms, your history, your rhythms, and I'll build a plan that supports you with science and soul. Click in the description box below for a questionnaire that will inform me about your unique needs and receive a free consultation. You deserve support that sees the whole you, body, mind, and spirit. Thank you for watching. If this video spoke to your heart, please help me spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing with someone you love. All these no-cost actions help me spread the word to a larger audience. Until next time, your body wants to heal. Take gentle care of yourself, and it will heal. Bye-bye for now.